This is Mazda CX-5 2019 model. You can apply this on 18, 19, 20, yeah, 21 also well. You can see service past due 0 days, miles 2956. Okay, what you have to do, switch off the car, press this button twice. This is keyless entry, then ignition on. After that, you can touch home button. Once I touch the home button, you can see this one. Then after that, you need to scroll this one and find out application. Yeah, application. Once you see the application, you have to press this button. Just press. Right. Okay. Now again, main button, turning up and down, vehicle monitor. Press enter, press down. Then you can see the second one, maintains. You can scroll this one and press enter. Press enter. You can see 0 days. Again, press enter and reset the date first. You can see now reset, scroll to the until reset, press enter. Are you sure? Yes, reset. Yeah, you can see it's came to the 12 months and 12,500 mileage. Yeah, again this one, touch this way, then it's coming to the here, when I touch this way, see it's turn, press enter. Again you can see oil change, right? Okay, press enter. And this one also we need to reset, otherwise service light come back again. Then reset service, same thing as sure, yes, select and press enter. You can see distance change to the 6,250. Yeah, it's coming to the, yeah, it's reset 12 months and 12,500 mileage. Yeah, what I'm going to do now, have a look, is it success? Switch off the ignition and I'm going to start the car and have a look what's the service message. So I'm going to switch off the car and start it again and have a look what happened to the service message. Now you can see it's disappeared. Thanks for watching. See you with the next video.